SACKIE, the artist, is in the building this morning. He's in my kitchen. Not here to lose weight, here to put on some weight this morning. I hear say it may put on some weight.
Yeah, God. I'm embarrassed even see how much I put.
So, God, come on, man. Nobody, only you and I talking here.
We're not safe
We're not safe zone.
Only 50 pounds in the quarantine.
You put on drink. So when we saw you perform for the carnival, you was slimmer than that.
No, it's this size. No, this size.
Right, so you mean during quarantine, you put on weight. Tell me this song one time. I'll tell you, when I heard this song, I didn't understand this song. And I tell my brothers that I tell my buddies that I say, come now, why them young fellas, let them come up with good concepts now, man.
Yeah.
When I understood the concept, I say, wait, that fella come good there. And the pumpkin vine just take the song to a different level. You wrote it?
I wrote up to where I am my cousin. So
Right.
The whole concept of the film to lose weight, that was me. The part that Michael Tesha assisted me with was the pumpkin vine.
So Michael jumped on and assisted you.
Yeah, sick, right?
Yeah.
A big shout assistant to the two and Michael Tesha and next month.
Was soca always your thing? Because did you always want to do soca? You're a young guy, you're just what, 20 years old?
20 years, yeah. 20 years old. I always wanted to do soca, however, I didn't have the voice right now. So, I started off young.
Right.
I really started off doing music at like 12, in junior, in leading in the choir, and I'm in church.
Right.
Right, so I was the leader of the junior choir.
Right.
Oh, happy day.
That was your vibes?
That was my vibe.
Yeah.
So at that time, I used to sing that kind of,
Right.
Because
that's a big jump now from Oh Happy Day
to lose weight. But I mean, I always wanted to do dancehall.
Yeah.
Right. So from Happy Day, I started acting. Right. So I went to acting school Valley. Them created Wall-Up.
Right.
Right. So them had a youth academy they're doing over the summer. So that's why I learned to script and build concepts.
Okay.
And do actual videos. Right, so I know the ropes are different angles, taking over more than once at a young age. So from small, I've been doing videos over and over. Right, so I always had the plan that networking and getting my face out there first was the thing to really make people get to know me before I really started taking music serious. So after now I started rapping, and from the rap now, they just say, well, it's soca coming up, and I say, well, you think we should do a soca?
You really wanted to do music?
Yeah, I
was searching,
I'm looking for my song now, where I really belong.
Right.
I'm doing rap, I'm doing gospel, I'm doing dancehall, I'm doing soca. So I touch everything
Do you think you found your song?
Yeah. I definitely found my song, and soca is it, and the kind of powerful power that is more. But I will be dropping new video, for sure.
Yeah, man. That would be a different kind of groovy boy. That would be a kind of rough groove. Kind of rough groovy kind of voice. A kind of rough groovy kind of voice.